Good morning, student. Today we are going to study a new topic that goodwill already appears in the old balance sheet. So, what is the accounting treatment when goodwill already appears in the old balance sheet, as well as the incoming partner, that is a new partner, brings premium for goodwill. Both goodwill are different because it is a goodwill which is already appears in the balance sheet, and it is a goodwill which is bring by a new partner. Let's see here situation. Tom and Shyam sharing profit equally. They admit Xavier 1 by 4th share in profits. Xavier pays 10,000 for goodwill. Out of his share, only 18,000. It means out of 18,000 he is paying only 10,000. Okay. Let's see here a situation. Goodwill appears in the balance sheet at 60,000. So my dear student, today is our this new topic, why goodwill is appear in the old balance sheet of Tom and Shyam. Let's see. Did you remember that the formula assets is equal to liability plus capital? This is the formula. It means every time we have an equal balance, that liability plus capital is equal to assets. But sometimes when liability is more than assets, when liability is more than assets, it means it is going to be balanced. Assets plus goodwill is equal to liability. My dear students, it is a very important equation for this question. So you can also say that decrease in value of assets compared to liability. It means your liability is going to increase along compared to assets. So it is a situation. So we have to record goodwill. In this situation, we have to record this goodwill. My dear student, here I took same example. The balance sheet of Tom and Shyam is mentioned here, and goodwill rupees 60,000. It is like a loss. It treated like a loss in assets. Loss in assets, you can say loss in assets. Why? Because compared to the liability, your assets is going to decrease. So we need to balance with a goodwill. So come to the solution. What do you have to do? This goodwill is going to be write off. This goodwill is going to be write off. Okay, write off. You can also say write off goodwill already appear. Okay. So you pass a journal entry with the help of this question. I am going to erase this one, my dear student. Okay. You have to pass journal entry. We have to follow the margin. Date, particular debit, credit, and then record the transaction. It is the format of journal. Then record the transaction. The first transaction is going to write off this goodwill 60,000. Write off means the partner's capital account of Tom and Shyam is going to be debit. So you have to record Tom's capital account debit, Shyam capital's account debit to goodwill. Which goodwill? This goodwill, 60,000 rupees. So in this question there is a profit distributed equally. So you have to put the narration. What? Goodwill written off in old ratio, that is 1:1. So you have to put it 30,000, 30,000. Okay. So this first journal entry is goodwill being be written out. The next journal entry is that what premium he JBL brought. So cash account, the next entry is that cash account debited to premium for goodwill. Out of 18,000 he bought only 10,000. So you have to record 10,000, 10,000 here. After that goodwill is going to be distributed in the sacrificing ratio. So you have to record the third entry, that premium for goodwill account debited 10,000. But in the question he bought out of 18,000 he bought 10,000. So you create JBR's current account. Why current account? Because out of 18,000 he bought only 10,000. 8,000 rupees is going to be create a current account. So the total amount of goodwill is 18,000. So the sacrificing partner, that is Tom's capital account and Sam capital account, that is 9,000, 9,000. So you can also say that this goodwill is going to be distributed in profit sharing ratio, but in this question the profit sharing ratio is equal. Let's see once again. Today in this topic we have to study goodwill already appears in the old balance sheet. This is the old balance sheet of Tom and Shyam. Here it is a question. Tom and Shyam sharing profit equally and they admit JBR for 1/4 share of the profit. JBR pays 10,000 goodwill out of 18,000. It means 8,000 is not going to unable to pay in cash. Goodwill appears in the balance sheet, that is 60,000. So it is a situation. What is the situation? Goodwill already appears. So goodwill is going to be write off. How to write off? Tom and Shyam are old partner. So the old partner is responsible to write off all the goodwill appears in the balance sheet. So goodwill are written off in the ratio that is already equally here, 1:1. Okay. The second entry that belongs to the whatever the premium amount he bought. The premium he bought 10,000. So you put it cash account debited to premium for goodwill account, that is 10,000, 10,000. And the third entry, that is premium for goodwill account debited 10,000. We create JVS current account for 8,000 because he is unable to bring 8,000 rupees in cash. So the total amount of goodwill distributed in sacrificing ratio, that is 1:1, 9,000, 9,000. In so my dear student, I think you have to able to understand the situations. Okay, thank you.